Hi everyone, something a bit different today. What we've got is a little kit, and if you're wondering what it is an illuminated acrylic cake stand, of all things. This is something a little bit different for Christmas. As you can see, it's nothing spectacular. It's just basically 4 pieces of clear acrylic with a centre column and a set of blue lights which are battery operated, just to give it a glow. So just thought I'd share it with you, something different, like I say, for the holiday season. So we'll just pop it together and see what it looks like. I bought it off Amazon, £18, something like that. There's loads of different versions you can buy from different sellers. If you like the look of it and it's something you fancy getting for a party or a celebration at some point, then just have a look on Amazon for illuminated cake stand and I'm pretty sure you'll find it. There's obviously some assembly is required. So there we have the finished article, all illuminated with cakes and things on, ready for Christmas. It's something a little bit different and the girls seem to like it. Do you like it? Yeah? So just thought I'd share that with you, and happy Christmas.